We have here our hooks for hanging plants, anything that goes into wood. You have anchors, the heart-shaped hooks, and the tool that drives in the heart-shaped hook. We're going to demonstrate on how to install without the anchor. A drill is required. Simply place in the hook to the center and drill. If you have a 1/4 inch or adjustable chuck, place on. Find a spot, into the center, and drill. We have a clip that opens up that allows you to put anything in. For example, like the hook, and hang. To remove, spread open the clip. And to remove the hook, align in reverse, take out. Hooks can be placed anywhere imaginable. Find a spot. Screw down. Just and easy ways to hang your barbecue tools, plant hangers, and more. We want to hang the plant close to the wall. We find a spot. We drill down. We grab the plant hook, snap on, and lock. So if you're looking for plant hooks that can hang just about anything with the supplied tool, drill not included, anchored to wood, ceiling, and more, your heart-shaped hooks. Thank you for viewing.